Hello, in this short video you will learn about BestChange, how it will help you when buying or selling cryptocurrencies, and what kind of cash bonus you can receive every hour. BestChange is used by those who want to buy or sell cryptocurrency. It is a platform with a hard number of different exchanges, where you can find the best rate and exchange your crypto for fiat there, or vice versa. The principle of operation is very simple. You choose what you want to give and what you receive. This is usually cryptocurrency or fiat. Set the necessary parameters and BestChange selects the most profitable sites for buying or selling. Then you go to one of the selected exchanges where the necessary exchanges parameters will already be set, and make the exchange according in the instructions of the exchange itself. That is, BestChange plays the role of an intermediary that selects for you the most favorable buying or selling rate from many available. Now let's get down to practice. Let's say we want to buy Bitcoin for money from our card. The menu on the left has two columns. In the left column, select what we want to give, and the right column, select Bitcoin. The site will refresh the page and list different exchanges in order of purchase profitability by price. Go to the first exchange and fulfill the conditions indicated on it. All exchanges are different and the conditions for them are also different, but usually we just need to indicate the card details, where the money will be debited from, and the address of the wallet to which we will receive our bitcoins. Always carefully check the entered data, because if you make a mistake, even in one letter in the address of the Bitcoin wallet, your money will not be credited to you. Therefore, always check everything. Then we confirm all the data and see how our wallet has been replenished. Also, BestChange has a cash bonus that you can receive every hour. To do this, scroll down the page, go to the BTC Faucet tab, insert the address of your wallet and click to get a bonus. We will be credited with a random amount of Satoshi from 1 to 100. As soon as 2000 accumulate, we will be able to withdraw them to our wallet. I hope the video about this service was useful and you learned something new. Until then, see you again and bye everyone.